Hi, dear children. Welcome you all for the online mode of teaching. Hope you all are doing very, very good. I'm your Akshaya ma'am. Today I have come up with another lesson, very interesting lesson. Let's see what is it. So this is your 8th standard first language English. We have chosen the third lesson of your textbook, that is Before the Match. So here, before the match, you can see one picture that I have given to you. To the left and to the right, we have R.K. Narayan. So there is one picture which is called Swami and Friends. Ma'am, what is the Swami and Friends you are saying, and the lesson name is Before the Match? Yes, children, let me just dig a little about who R.K. Narayan is and from where is this lesson Before the Match is taken. So, R.K. Narayan was an Indian writer who was among the three most important writers who carved a place for Indian writing in English. In his first novel, that is Swami and Friends. So, now you can understand R.K. Narayan's first novel was Swami and Friends. In that novel, he describes the adventures of a group of schoolboys in India in the year 1930s. I mean to say, in 1930s, there were a group of schoolboys in India. About them, what all adventures that they took up, about that it has been written in this novel called Swami and Friends. From that novel, this lesson Before the Match is just an extract which has been taken. I hope you all understood. Let's see what exactly is this lesson going to say. So children, now before going to the explanation of this lesson Before the Match written by R.K. Narayan, I would like to first introduce you the theme of this particular lesson. So now there are two teams. The teams which will be playing cricket match after 2 weeks on one particular Sunday. After 2 weeks, the Sunday that comes after 2 weeks, on that particular Sunday, there is a cricket match that has to be played between two teams. The team names are YMU and MCC. YMU is Young Men's Union and MCC means Malgudi Cricket Club. Now these two teams has to play the cricket match. Swaminathan is the lead player of MCC team. This boy Swaminathan has to attend drill class after every day of his school. Once the school is let off, he has to go to the drill class. But if he goes to the drill class, he will not be able to spare his evenings for practicing for the cricket match. So he wants to escape from the drill class. He will ask his master, "Sir, please let me off," by giving many reasons. What are those reasons? We'll see in the lesson. But still he will not be let off. One day is fine, but not every day. So he gets an idea. What kind of an idea is that? How will he take off from the drill practice? And how will he spare those evenings, precious evenings, for practicing to win the MCC? How will he do this? That is all about this lesson. So let's see what happens in this lesson. The match was to be played on Sunday 2 weeks later. So there is this match which has to be played. Which match? Cricket match. That is on the Sunday, as I told you, 2 weeks later. Rajam lost all peace of mind. Rajam is the captain of MCC team. He lost his patience. He lost the peace of mind, the state of mind which is very calm and quiet. That state of mind he completely lost. He felt confident that his team could trash the YMU. Trash means beat. So he was very much confident that his team MCC will beat the YMU team. He himself could be dependent upon to not let down the team. He was so confident that he will not lose the match. He was himself very much confident, and he also was so in good condition. Practice, he was in a very good practice that he will not let his team to lose the match. Mani was steady if unimpressive. There is one more player of the team, that is Mani, who was steady. Steady means who was in a good form, even though he looked unimpressive. He was not that impressive in his playings, but still he looked very firm. He could be dependent upon to stop with his head if necessary any ball. He was so good in playing that if in case there is a situation that demands him to stop a ball with his head, he could do even that. His batting was not bad. His batting was really not bad. There was only one player who caused him the deepest anxiety day and night. Here, the author is saying, R.K. Narayan is saying, Rajam is the captain, and for this captain, there is one boy who is troubling, who is giving him the bad luck. Day and night, he used to think about that player. Who is that player? On him rested a great task, a mighty responsibility. On that boy, on that team player, a great pressure of responsibility. Mighty means great pressure of responsibility was lying. Who is he? He was the Tate of the team. Tate is nothing but, I want to tell you what this Tate means. Tate is nothing but, see, there is one person, a famous English fast bowler, Maurice Tate. So here Swami is given the nickname called as Tate after the famous English fast bowler Maurice Tate. So Swaminathan is this boy who is called the Tate of the team. He is the best bowler of the team. So this boy was causing a lot of tension to the captain Rajam. So Tate of the team, and he looked uncertain. So this boy who was the Tate of the team was not much confident in playing. Even with the match only a fortnight off, even the match is fortnight means 2 weeks off. Even though the match is just 2 weeks ahead, this boy was still not confident. He did not seem to care for practice. He did not practice also much. Swami, Rajam pleaded. So that boy is none other than Swami. The full name of Swami here is Swaminathan. So Rajam will go, the captain will go to Swami and he will plead. Plead is asking in pleasing manner. Please do try to have at least an hour's practice in the evenings. He will ask, at least practice for an hour in the evening, Swami, he asks. Certainly, Rajam, if you can suggest a way. He says, okay, I will surely do, Rajam, but please suggest me a way to practice, no? Was his answer. Why not tell your headmaster that? He was continuing. Tell your headmaster that you want to practice. But Swami will stop him there. How will he? When Rajam asked Swami to talk to his headmaster, he will stop him there and say, oh, no, Swaminathan cried. I am grateful to you for your suggestion, but let us not think of that man. He says, no, my headmaster is first of all a very strict and a serious person. Let me not go and talk to him. I'm very grateful. I'm very thankful for your suggestion. So he says, Rajam says, I don't care. What I want is that you should have good practice. If you keep any batsman standing for more than 5 minutes, I will never see your face again. Rajam will say, I don't care about whether you're going to talk or not, but still I'll tell you, I want you to do a good practice. If I see you keeping a batsman standing there for more than 5 minutes, tomorrow I'm not going to see your face. If you are going to keep the batsman, he is a good bowler. The bowler's work is to make the batsman lose the match. He should not even hit even a singles or fours or sixes. So if you make that man stand more than 5 minutes, then I'm not going to see your face, was Rajam's angry way of talking to him. Just 7 days before the match, Swaminathan realized that his evenings were more precious than ever. Now see, there were 2 weeks, that means 14 days. Now he has also lost 1 more week. Only 7 days are left with him. Only 1 week is left with him. Swaminathan now realized that his evenings are more precious than ever. For last 7 days, he forgot. He couldn't go and practice. Now only 7 days are left. In 14 days, only 7 days are left. Now he is feeling those evenings are very precious because he didn't do good practice. As soon as the evening bell rang, he lined up with the rest in the drill ground. What he does, evening after evening, he has drill practice to do. So as soon as the school is left, he will go and line up in the drill practice place where all others were also standing in the ground. But contrary to the custom, contrary means opposite to the custom. Custom means practice or tradition. To the custom, or to the tradition, opposite to the tradition, he had not taken off his coat and cap. Usually when the children go to practice in the ground for drill or something, those children will take off their coat and hat. But this fellow did not take it out. All the others were in their shirts with their dhotis tucked up. All others were in their shirts with their dhotis tucked up, and they had just removed their cap and coat. But this fellow was in cap and coat. Dhoti and shirt was in. But still, upon that, cap was also there and shirt was also, coat was also there. The drill master stopped before him, looked him up and down, and passed on muttering. The drill master stopped before him and he looked him up and down, and he will pass muttering. Muttering means expression of dissatisfaction. He started to feel very dissatisfied by the way that fellow was standing. Who? Master. You won't get leave, coat and cap off. When the student is standing with his cap and coat on, the master feels this fellow wants excuse from the drill practice today. He wants to go home. That is the reason he has not taken it off. So he says, see, today you are not going to get leave. Better you take off your coat and cap, he says. He says like that, and he moves to the other child in the row. Swaminathan became desperate. Desperate means feeling of hopelessness, that the situation is not so good to him and impossible to deal. He felt this situation is very hopeless. He feels hopeless and he feels this situation is not in such a way that I can deal with. And pursued him. Pursued means followed him. What he does, he feels the situation is not to be handled by me, but still what he does, he will go behind the master when he goes to the other child. Sir, I am in a terrible state of health. Terrible means very serious or extremely in bad state of health. I can't attend drill today. Please sir, I can't attend drill today. I shall die if I do. I am in a very bad state of health. If I practice, if I stay in this drill class, I will surely die, he says. The drill master had come to the last boy, and yet Swaminathan was dogging him. Though the drill master passed Swaminathan and moved to the other boys and reached the last boy in the row, Swaminathan was still behind the master, dogging him, that is, following him with his excuses. He turned round on Swaminathan with a fierce oath, very fiercely, that is, very aggressively, in a very strong words. He just utters, "What is the matter with you?" Yes, what is your problem? What is the matter with you? Why are you coming behind me like this? Was his question. Then what happened? So when the master, said in a very strong tone, "What is the matter with you?" Swaminathan starts explaining. Sir, the whole of last night I was delirious. Sir, last night completely I was delirious. What is this delirious, children? Have you ever heard about this? The word? Any difficulty in health? Any problem with the health? This kind of a health problem, have you ever heard? I have not heard, children. But still, this boy says, delirious. What is delirious? A state of excitement when you cannot think or speak clearly. When you cannot speak or think clearly, that particular state of mind, especially caused by the fever, is called as delirious. This fellow will tell in front of the master that last night he was in a state of delirious, that he did not sleep at all. See, the drill master was stunned by this piece of news. Stunned means shocked and unable to react. When he said that he was in a state of delirious, the master couldn't speak only. You were delirious? He asked. Were you delirious last night? That word was different for him. I didn't sleep a wink last night. I didn't even close my eyes for a second also last night, he says. I was delirious. Our doctor said so. My doctor said I am in delirious condition. He has asked me not to attend drill for a week to come. At least for a week, don't attend any drill and all. He asked, who? Doctor has asked me to do it. I don't believe a word. Get out. He says, see, when a child comes and tells he is not feeling well, once or twice the master or the teacher will say, see, no, do it. But if he continues to keep telling the same thing, obviously the teacher will excuse, though they are angry. Same thing happened. The master says, but still I don't believe your words. Get out, he says. He will let him out of the drill practice. Everybody at the field was happy to see him so early. Rajam jumped with joy. When he left, he'll go to the ground where the other teammates were there to practice for the match. All the people were very happy that he came so soon. Rajam was so happy, he jumped with joy. The next morning, he formed a plan to be free all evenings of the week. But the next morning, what he does? He gets an idea. Every week, yesterday I have escaped, but from today again I want to be escaped from the drill. What should I do? He gets an idea. It was 7:30 in the morning. That idea came to him in the early morning, 7:30. And he had still 2.5 hours before him for the school. So the school will start at 10 o'clock. So he was in 7:30 time. He has 2.5 hours to go to school. So what he does, Swaminathan quietly slipped out of the house. It was 7:30. He will quietly go out of the house. Where will he go? What will he do? What will happen? Let's see in the next slide. After coming out of the house, he stood before a shop in front of which hung the board. So after coming out of the house, he'll go on the street and he will stop in front of a shop where on the board it was written Dr. T. Kesavan, LMNS, Sri Krishna Dispensary. Dispensary is a place where medicines are prepared and provided. In that particular in that shop, in front of that shop, he will stop himself. Swaminathan found that the doctor was alone and free. Who was the doctor? T. Kesavan. So the doctor T. Kesavan was alone inside the shop. It is a clinic. He was very much free and entered the shop. He found him free and he will enter the shop. Hello Swaminathan, what is the matter? The doctor sees Swaminathan and he will greet him hello and he will ask, what is the matter? Doctor, I have got to have a doctor's certificate immediately. Doctor, I need to have a doctor's certificate immediately. What is the matter with you? You will ask, what is the matter with you then? If you need a certificate, then you have to say, what is the matter? I will tell you the truth, doctor. I have to play a match next week against the Young Men's Union, that is YMU. And I must have some practice, and yet every evening there is a drill class, scouting, some dirty period or other. So he says, sir, see, next week I have a cricket match that has to be played against YMU team. But the problem is I have to practice I have to attend the drill class, scouting or other dirty periods will be there every evening after the school. I have to practice for the match, but where is the time? These classes also I have to attend. What shall I do? If you could give me a certificate asking them to let me off at 4:30, it would help the MCC to win the match. He says, sir, if you give me a certificate asking them to let me off the school after 4:30, that is why the school leaves at 4:30. At that time, if they let me off, then it will be helpful for the MCC, that is Malgudi Cricket Club, to win the match, he says. Well, I could do it, but is there anything wrong with you? Well, I can do that. I can give you a medical certificate saying you have some problem and then you can let go and practice. But still, is there any problem? You should give me a correct problem description. No. Otherwise, how can I give you a certificate? Any doctor can give a certificate just like that? No. There should be a problem, then only doctor can give. So tell me, is there any problem with you? The doctor asks. Is there really any problem, children? He says he has delirious. He is delirious. He is in the state of delirious. Will the doctor agree with it? Will the doctor believe him? Will the doctor really give certificate? Let's see next. So when that question was asked to Swaminathan, Swaminathan took half a second to find an answer. Obviously, he had an answer very soon. He said this that to his master, drill master, that he has delirious. So he just took half a second and he'll answer, certainly I am beginning to feel of late that I have delirium. He is saying, certainly, doctor, I have a problem. I have something wrong with me. That something wrong is nothing but I am beginning to feel off late. Off late means in recent times. In recent times, I am beginning to have delirium. He says, I am beginning. Nowadays, I am beginning to have delirium. That is very uncertain in speaking, thinking, because of fever, because of some problem that is happening in the body. I am having delirium. I'm beginning to have that in recent times. This fellow himself don't have an idea what is delirium. Okay, the real meaning is what I'm telling, a feeling of not able to speak or think because of the fever that is being caused. But for him, he thinks it is something else. Let's see what is actually in his mind. Boy, did you say delirium? Doctor asks. Do you mean you have delirium? What exactly do you mean by delirium? Doctor himself was confused. He will ask, what exactly do you mean by delirium? I can't say exactly, but isn't it some kind of stomachache? See, this boy thinks it is some kind of stomachache. Actually, a feeling that you see when the teacher is asking you to submit the homework, and if you have not done the homework, you have some kind of a fear that happens to you in your stomach. Surprising is different. You feel like butterfly is running in your stomach. That is different. When you actually are in trouble, you feel a different kind of a feel in your stomach. That is also a kind of delirium what he feels. So he says that statement. The doctor laughed till a great fit of coughing threatened to choke him. So threaten means cause of risk. There is something that has been risked. That means when he laughed, the doctor started to laugh in such an extent that he couldn't stop the cough to choke him. Choke him means cause difficulty in speaking, and the result was he started to cough. After that, he looked Swaminathan under the eye, examined his tongue, tapped his chest, and declared him to be the pink of health. After that, what did the doctor do? As usual, doctor has to check the ear, eyes, mouth and everything. And he started to he kept the stethoscope on the chest, and he even saw the pulse, and everything that the doctor has to do, he did. And he could find Swaminathan with no problem. He was in pink of health. That means he was in very good health condition. And told him he would do well to stick to his drill if he wanted to get rid of delirium. He says, if you really want to get rid of delirium, then just go and stick on to drill practice. Then it will surely let you go out of it. That means it will be getting rid of you. Delirium will not be there for you if you do drill practice. But the thing is, he don't want to do the drill practice. Swaminathan again explained to him how important it was for him to have his evenings free. So he says, sir, no, whatever it is, whatever delirium, whatever it is, but I don't want to attend the drill class. I want to make my evenings free and go and practice for the match that is upcoming in just 7 days. Swaminathan, but the doctor said, it is all very well, but I should be prosecuted if I gave you any such certificate. See, it is all fine. Whatever you are saying is good. You want to practice for the match and you want your team to win the match. But see, I cannot give you a certificate just like that. Prosecuted is taken to court, as it is a crime to give false certificate like that. I will be answered. I am supposed to be answered in front of the court. It is a crime of doing such thing. Without a proper reason, I am not supposed to give any certificate. Who is going to find it out, doctor? Will anybody find it out? No, doctor, no. Do you want our MCC to lose the match then? Yes. Do you want our MCC team to lose the match then? Nobody is going to find out that you are given us false certificate, sir. Please give me, he asks. I wish you all success. Don't worry. When he said, you want our MCC to lose, doctor says, no, I wish you all success. Don't worry. I can't give you a certificate. See, I can't give you certificate like that. What? Then what can the doctor do? See, doctor gives an idea. But I shall talk to your headmaster about you and request him to let you off after 4:30. See, I can't give you a certificate, but the best thing that I can do is I can ask your headmaster itself to let you off after 4:30 to you to practice at least only for 7 days. That will do. You are very kind to me, doctor. Immediately, Swaminathan was so happy that yes, that will do. That will do means that will work out. You can talk to my headmaster. I can't go and talk. Yes, I'm not so courageous. But if you talk, he will surely let me go and ask me to practice. He will not let me, he will not ask me to go for drill class. He will let me off after the school is done. So thank you so much. You are so very much kind to me. Kind means another adjectives that I can make you understand is you're very helpful for me. You're very good. You're very caring. You're very good hearted, my dear doctor, is the answer given by Swaminathan. Once he hears this doctor saying, I will talk to your headmaster. This is how he gets escaped from the drill class to practice for the team's match. I mean to say YMU MCC match. What is that is going to happen for that? He will find a way to practice every evening after the school. I hope you all understood, children. So children, this slide is all about the hard words that come in the paragraphs of this particular lesson and the meanings of them. And these hard words are very easy for you to use in your daily life also. So as much as possible, use them and improve your vocabulary. That is what I would like to ask you for. And then children, hope you all understood, and obviously this was the most beautiful and the most interesting story. I hope you understood. If in case you find time and if in case you have a book or ebook that has been provided online, you can go through this novel, The Swami and Friends. It's the most beautiful ones. And the Malgudi Days book is also available in the ebook in the online. You can also read them when you have free time in the house. Okay. So children, stay home, stay safe, eat healthy, keep learning. Thank you.